Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So today I will be as a moderator in debate contest for English projects in Leuven DGV. So in this debate contest it is between city and the village, and let's call for the team and city.
Oh, this village.
Oh.
City of do.
Oh, yeah.
City of Village.
Okay, I will call the team for for the first is city team. There is Aga and Kenji.
Explain, yeah, 1 minute or one student, 1 minute, explain what is.
Okay, for the second team, there is village team. There are Hanif Abdurrahman and Rahim. Okay, let's start this debate contest with
Yes.
one question.
No, explain.
Explain.
Oh,
Explain.
Which one? Explain.
Which one is
Explain what is city, what is village.
Oh. This the moderator what is? Moderator.
Okay.
Let's go.
For the city, there is
Time for
time for you.
1 minute only, yeah.
Okay, let me explain about the city. So the city is an urban civilization which is much more modern than village. It has lots of transportation and home to many workers. And some of people say that city is also the place for people to work and earn money from that, and it's also the place for healthcare and export import governmental industries and others. And maybe you also know big cities like Jakarta, Bandung, Denpasar, and the others. That's just some of the example of city, which is very futuristic, you know. Maybe that's all.
Okay, we will explain why village is more than city. Explain. Okay, so actually why village is better, in the village you can get a fresh air, not a pollution, and then in the village you get a good environment. Like not all people going to talk in the city, they do focus on their work, not going to talk with their neighbor or anything. And also in the village also have some transportation that's actually like angkot or anything that can get used by all people. And where's rice from is actually from village. How can you grow?
Okay, I will answer. Maybe in the city is a lot of pollution, but as more than city, but more city is clean of pollution with fresh air, and then and city is very crowded, so we can meet other people with good attitude. And
But you ever try to talk with them?
have
You talk always me. With him. Teamwork.
no, one by one.
One by one, Mister. What do you say? He said there is a lot of people in city and then good attitude, but he never talk to them. Only like pass.
I have.
You only pass and then
No,
never
I
talk.
have.
Like random people. If in village we do like salam. In city cannot.
What?
Nightboard and village is very very good. Good greeting, yes.
So what's the argument?
The argument? That's my argument. Yes.
So you don't have argument in this debate.
Huh? I have.
What? So, what? It's I'm arguments, not you. By the way.
You think like this in village? What the good condition in village?
Nah, in village the good condition is the
The
What?
price.
the good air, the good water, and the good vibes. Yeah.
If you're searching about vibes, well, city has lots of much more fun activities out there. As you can see right there, you can see lots of building. And if you talk about fresh water, city also has fresh water, of course. They had what is it called? Mineralized water from what is it? What is it called?
Hey.
From the water
Hey,
company.
hey.
From the water company. Huh? See.
Village.
No,
Village.
no, no. Wait.
Village.
The water company claims its water from the from the nearest water production around it, like well. Of course, there is well in the city,
What's that? Huh?
but we didn't say it like, oh, there's a well like there. We product it, we mineralize it.
You lie. You lie.
Much more better, clearer, and for one example from the mineralized water is
Is the partner not helping this?
mineral is mineral water from big brands which has a big
About city.
which has a
Village,
big
village. Huh. If like that, why many people in city holiday to village?
then why village people holiday to city? Just that. Well.
This.
Okay.
You kan agak.
You ask me. You and then
I ask why the many city people holiday to village.
City village.
Yeah, every day
And
they
you know,
have in
village
city.
is like a town
Maybe
hall level 1.
he can they can
What?
board
What?
can board.
In the city
In
is not
city.
good. What?
Good, city
Not
is
good?
but
Oh, not good.
we are human.
City not good, mister.
They just need to find another holiday, just like villager. Villagers sometimes go to the city to go to the mall, and that's what I experience around Indonesia here, around Sumatra and Java. This just I don't know, a loophole right there, that village people comes to the city and citizens come to village. It's just a loophole. It is not part of the argument. It's just
kan
normal activities.
Citizen holiday to village for healing because he stress in the city. But village people go to city for buy, for shopping, make it more stress.
No, it's not like it.
No.
They shop at the city because
Yeah,
there
kan
is-
they shop the
Hey,
for the
hey,
city.
stop.
You stop me first.
Okay, yeah.
I haven't talked clearly. Yes, right? Am I right? Yes, right. I still talk and then here's dulu.
Katanya.
I still talking. This actually village people buying to the city because emang good from city because the city is the place for shopping and then like better for shopping. But yeah, like that. How again kan people still need also like city still need village because in village there is a lot of fresh things and also. And also village people still need like modern things from the city because we are human need needan.
Need each other.
Need each other.
Saling memberi.
Yes, because this moderator doesn't exist. This not giving any comment, not good.
Okay. Next one for city.
Huh?
This how many minutes?
So that's your argument. What I could
Make.
what I could tell from your argument is that city It's much more better because it has
He not answer well.
because it
After this.
This silent the must.
from the argument that they talk, I could explain that I could conclude that city villager comes to city for shopping, right?
Yes.
So it means village didn't have enough resource, so they come to city to shop.
How
and find things. Yes, that's
Yes
easy.
lah, there is
right?
no resource
Yes,
here.
there is
but,
no resource.
But the people from city buying food from here because we have a fresh vegetables and also fresh fruits that you can produce and then sell much pricey there, I think.
Yes.
But actually, like from here is only like 5,000, but you sell there around 50,000.
Like maybe yes, sometimes it's much.
Sometimes it's all.
No, not it's sometimes. Sometimes it's much more expensive in city, but it's not because they pick it from village and go and transport it to the city. It's because citizen is much more wealthy than villager. That's why villager could buy much more cheaper food in there, and it's also why the food in city is much more expensive. It's because they have already what is it called? No.
What?
They already clean the food, the food, the vegetable with sanitizer and much.
Sanitizer is for alcohol.
Yeah, just
bro.
like
It's
that,
alcohol,
man.
bro.
Come from
Sanitizer
village.
is alcohol, bro.
The last for Kenji. And then close. Kenji.
You can talk about what?
City. What is your argument?
What the argument of city?
City is
What?
very weird, and then village is full. And then no, like that. City have more than future like good geotechnology and so many culture a good cloth like
Four.
and then good shoes
Hey,
and then
village.
We can-
level 1. City is
and we
total
can
level
get
10.
good Wi-Fi so we can interaction to each other speed and we can use smartphone quickly. Maybe that's
That's what.
Okay.
Go.
Just
like that, just like that. You want.
Then close. Who is the best?
Moderator the best.
Letter P conclusion. Who is it?
Okay, we are in
The end of
in the end of this debate contest. For maybe I will choose for the best team in this debate. There is more active teams give the argument about their location, both city or village, and then I choose village as a winner.
yes, village the winner, bro.
This moderator playing COC, sir.
Okay, maybe
Every time he start need to town hall 1 is
okay.
village.
Okay, maybe I will close this debate by reciting Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. So let's close this debate. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.